सॉरी, मैं भी गिल्टी हूँ। मैंने बहुत बार ऐसी चीज़ें दिखाई हैं। एक्चुअली बहुत सारे फैशन ब्लॉगर्स ऐसी चीज़ें और आउटफिट्स दिखाते हैं जो रियल लाइफ में यूजुअली इतनी वेरेबल और कंफर्टेबल नहीं होती। एंड लेट्स फेस इट, हर किसी को इवेंट्स या ब्रंच पे नहीं जाना होता एंड एक्चुअली जगहों पे चल के जाना होता है और हाथ ऊपर करने होते हैं और बैठना होता है। सो आई थॉट just for fun I'll make a video for people who are not actually fashion bloggers and what they can wear in their real life. So don't get me wrong, I love dressing up and dressing out of my comfort zone many times, but I thought let's just make it a little wearable for all of you guys who watch. So let's get started. The fashion blogger version of this outfit is pretty cool, but if you were to actually wear this to college, तुम अपने हाथ अपने shoulders के ऊपर नहीं कर पाओगे and maximum एक pencil carry कर पाओगे. So to make this a little more wearable for college, I changed the off-shoulder top to a wide neck tank top so that it gives the similar look of this open shoulder. And I wore a proper backpack instead of a fanny pack. Fanny packs look very cool, but यार उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा सामान नहीं आ सकता. And this backpack is also very cute, so it gives a nice look. And I changed out those really big super fashion bloggerish hoops to smaller hoops so that it still looks cute but it's much more wearable. And यार उन yellow glasses के through honestly कुछ दिखने तो वाला है नहीं, so I just completely left them out. Over accessorizing looks really cool in photos. Like this look, especially if I wear it for a photo shoot, it will look really nice in pictures, but in real life बहुत ज़्यादा छन छन हो रही होगी and मैं चल नहीं पाऊँगी, right left देख नहीं पाऊँगी without sounding like a bell. So I think the more wearable way to wear lots of nice accessories, especially with Indian, is to just wear a few things. If you're wearing a necklace, probably just wear it with the bracelet. If you're wearing earrings, wear something either small in your neck and wear a bracelet. So basically not too many big things which are very close to each other, not because it won't look good, but because it won't be practical for every day. For a work/formal look, I love this. ये shirt मेरी favorite है. It looks so smart, so fashionable. But if I were to actually sit down and like write something, laptop पे अगर मैं कुछ करूँगी, तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाएगा. And especially if I have to raise my arm, not possible. So I think the easier and more practical way to wear smart formals is to wear simple colors and try and color coordinate. So like the shirt I'm wearing here has a nice simple bow, so it also looks smart, and the black is matching with the pants. Okay, so this is the most fashion bloggerish thing ever. I love the combination of a bralette and a blazer, but मैं जब भी वैसा पहनती हूँ, मेरे दोस्त भी मुझसे पूछते हैं कि भाई तुझे ठंड नहीं लगती, या फिर अगर गर्मी में पहना है भाई तुझे गर्मी नहीं लगती. So okay, in this outfit, I personally don't have a problem with wearing a bralette. I think bralettes are really hot, sexy. But let's see how we can make this more appropriate for summer since we're in summer. So instead of the heavy thick blazer, I chose a cotton blazer. It's also in a light color. Or you can make this slightly more boho by wearing it with a kimono and some ethnic boho jewelry. The famous fashion blogger airport look. Now, I think this outfit turned out really cool. I love this, but I don't think for all kinds of people this is the most practical thing because of how like out there it is. To make this a little more wearable, I think the matchy look, सब लोग इसमें comfortable शायद ना हो. So maybe you can switch that out for a top that's of another color, maybe a sweatshirt to keep you warmer. And instead of carrying a small, really nice smart sling bag, you can probably carry a smart backpack so you can put all of your shit in it because it'll be way more practical. And my favorite, small sunglasses. Yeah, they look really cool on camera, but इनके through कुछ नहीं दिखता, so I'll probably just let them go.
वियर्ड आउटरो लोकेशन. बेसिकली बाहर बहुत गर्मी है और हम जहाँ पे भी शूट कर रहे थे हमें वहाँ से सारी गाड़ी से बाहर निकाल दिया, तो हम गाड़ी में आउटरो शूट करें. आई होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड फाउंड द रियल लाइफ वाले आउटफिट्स अ लिटिल वेरेबल. Sorry, but I think the fashion blogger wale outfits turned out really cool. But this is me because I'm a kind of fashion influencer too. But hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit subscribe, like, comment. You know what to do, kids. As usual. Bye.